weekend. It's a very important call to prayer and to support a unified action against corruption in our country. As we prepare to celebrate Freedom Day on the 27th of April under the theme Freedom and Rule of Law, 30 years of democratic citizenship, the South African Council of Churches, of which Archbishop Sipuga is the current president, the SACC will be issuing a vital national statement to address the ongoing cancer of corruption in our society's moral fiber. In solidarity with this ecumenical movement, the Archdiocese of Cape Town calls upon all Catholic parishes and institutions to join in a public stand for integrity. This initiative stems from the recent National Church Leaders Anti-Corruption Conference, which emphasized that every rand stolen is a direct attack on the dignity of the poor. We ask every member of our faith community to personally commit to the following. Firstly, to no longer remain silent in the face of wrongdoing, as silence can be misconstrued as endorsement. To strictly abstain from any form of corruption, including the paying or soliciting of bribes and the exploitation of public resources for personal gain. And lastly, to support whistleblowers and those who risk their livelihoods to expose the truth. Corruption is not merely a legal matter. It is a moral and a spiritual crisis. This Freedom Day, let us recommit to the South Africa we pray for, that is a nation free of deprivation and one that is characterized by honesty, justice, and the protection of the weak. I wish you a meaningful Freedom Day. May it be more than just another public holiday, but a day of personal and communal enrichment as we commit ourselves to collaborate with the biblical call to justice. Dear sisters and brothers, freedom is not just freedom to do anything. Freedom is only freedom to do the right thing. If we think it's freedom to do just anything, then we truly are slaves. Let's pause for a while and silently ask the Lord to help us to choose what is good over what is evil. And may the Lord help us in our efforts.